me, being an ex-interviewer panel, an ex-technical panel, ex-TCSer, I have designed this course along with Careerkunj team in a way that helps you not only get a job but also be job ready. Whole course is structured and designed in a way that makes it easy for you to learn it. It includes only and especially the specific modules, the specific question that will be asked in an interview. The teaching and design is in a way that you don't get bored of it. The more you learn, the more you will enjoy the course and the more you will be confident in that technical skills, in that specific skill. After every chapter, after every module, you will be able to deploy something by your own. That means you will learn some individual independent thing. After end of the course, we have also included 100 plus interview questions that will also help you crack the interview, which also covers theoretical as well as coding questions or the technical questions. All the examples that I have covered in all the modules from chapter 1 to chapter last, all are real interview questions that are asked in the interview itself. So this whole module and this whole chapter is designed across that same thing. The stitching is very fine, the learning goes good, and also as a Careerkunj team, we are really happy to be part of your journey and we wish you all the best.